I have a ring on my left hand. It is a ring that I forged right before my wife and I got married, and it is gold. And gold is cool because, unlike most of the stuff around us, gold cannot be made in the heart of a star. Even the very, very biggest stars cannot forge anything heavier than iron. And so the heavier stuff usually comes from supernovas. But gold is too heavy even to come from a supernova. The only thing in the universe that is dense enough to make gold is a neutron star. And scientists believed for a long time that the gold and other heavy metals in the universe came from binary neutron stars. When two neutron stars formed close together, they would orbit each other. And as they would orbit, they would drag on the fabric of space-time. That drag would slow them down. They would orbit closer and closer and closer until after billions of years, they would connect, they would kiss, and they would be sucked into a black hole. But that explosion would send neutronium out into the universe, and that's where we get gold and stuff. But while that does happen, it isn't quite enough to explain where all of the gold in the universe comes from. And there was a recent study that found sometimes you don't need to. Sometimes a neutron star can get there on its own. See, when you have neutron stars that spin really, really fast, at the surface, they drag on the fabric of space-time. And that warps them. That causes stress to build up. So stress builds up on the outer surface of the neutron star, and that stress has to be released. And they call this a starquake. When the stress builds up to a certain point, there will be a sudden climactic shift on the surface of the neutron star, and sometimes it will only move by a single millimeter, but that shifting of the crust that releases all of that pent-up stress spurts gold out into the cosmos. And so this might not have come from two neutron stars kissing. It might have come just from one neutron star releasing stress all on its own.